Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shanice. If you're new here, this is Blossom Street and I hope to inspire you to make something new. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you a couple of my latest makes. I've become slightly obsessed with functionality. I've been trying to make sure everything that I make, I'm like, do I need this? Why am I making it? Will I use it? And what will I learn from it? So I made a couple of things and I'm going to show you. The first thing is, of course, this scarf that I have on. I think it's one of those nice things that you can just add to an outfit. It just spruces it up and it's nice. So this is very simple. You can put it on your handbag as a ribbon. You can use it as a headband. I've been using it for a variety of things, but for now this is my favorite way to wear it. And because it's just something really simple, I think it's always a good idea to use like a very pretty fabric. So in my case, I have a fabric that has like it has like a fan on it, and I think that's quite nice, different from what you would usually see, but because it's simple, it's great. And then yeah, to use. Okay, so next on my list is this pair of pants. Now it's sparkly, it's well fitted, and so far I love it. So I didn't make the pattern myself. I actually used a pattern that I bought to make this. I chose a fabric that would be shiny. I think you can probably see if I come closer, you can see the sparkles of it. It's a bit of a glitter-like look, and I love to wear this at night. At least that's what I think it's best suitable for. I'm just a big fan of the color of the fabric and the style of it. Anything that makes my butt look good is always a plus in my agenda. So I'll show you also a few pictures of how I like to wear it, and then we can move on to the next one. So the next item, do you ever have that situation where you have something you absolutely love and then for whatever reason you gain weight, you lose weight, etc., it doesn't fit anymore? Well, that's kind of what happened with my next item. So I had a shirt a while back. It was my absolute favorite. I wore it almost every day, but I didn't fit it into anymore, but I still wanted it. So what I did was that I undid it and traced it onto a new fabric, which is this one, and then made it. It's like this. I really love the details here. It has pleats on the neckline. It was one of my favorites. I just like the fit of it. I'm not essentially crazy about horses, but I just really love this fabric, and then I made it into this. I'm very happy with it. It has buttons on the back, so that's how you get into it. This I've worn once to work so far. I intend to do it more often. It's easy. You can just dress it down. I like to wear this with sneakers and just a nice fitting pair of pants. And it's blue, so that's very easy to pair it with anything. So I'll show you a few ways I like to style this shirt of mine, and then we'll move on to the next item. Okay, so the last thing I'm going to show you is actually one of the first things that I made. The summer began with really warm weather and I was just plainly burning up. So I thought to myself, okay, I need something that's airy, that's ridiculously bright, and again, airy. So then I made this. So this pattern I actually drafted myself. It's a very yellow dress. As you can see, it's wide, so that it just allows for a lot of space to come in. It holds me on the shoulder level, and I live in the Netherlands, so we bike a lot, and this is also something very easy to bike in. So everything I was looking for, this dress was given me. It's quite wide, but then you can always cinch it in with the belt. You can dress it up, dress it down. I like to dress almost everything down, but you can wear it however you want, which you will see soon. Yeah, it's very bright, but you know, I'm dark skinned, so it suits me perfectly. Thank you all for staying through to the end. These are the items, my most recent makes. I hope you like them. In the comment section, tell me the one that was your favorite, how you would wear it, and how you go about clothes, especially the ones that you love which no longer fit you. Okay, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. I cannot wait to show you my latest project. Bye, guys.
I wanted to break it.